My name is Uchibo Emmanuel, a student of JPTS International, a 200 level of the Department of International Relations and Diplomacy. I'm here to present a 10 semester presentation on implication of National Broadcasting Commission Code on broadcasting media, a case study of AIT Lagos. The abstract: the aim of this study was to investigate the implication of National Broadcasting Commission (NBC) code on African Independent Television Lagos. 5 research questions were formulated for the purpose of this study. Other questions, 20 in numbers, came as questionnaire to the staff of AIT Lagos to determine the implication of National Broadcasting Commission on their organization. The research method adopted for this work is survey because of its convenience, reliability, and cheapness. Questionnaire were administered on the 118 staff of AIT Lagos. Also, the entire population was studied as a sample size since the population is small and could be handled by the research. Finding from the field shows that the code of NBC does not affect the operation of the organization, and also the 2006 NBC ban on the organization affect the organization restructuring, retirement of few staff, and reduction of image. Recommendation have been made on how NBC should make its code appropriate in order for the broadcasting media to abide to such regulation. Chapter 1: Introduction. Background of study: radio and television are essential organs for national development and should therefore be used for the promotion of Nigerian cultural, economic, and political development. As the media utilize the airway which belongs to the public, the broadcasting media should be used to improve the promotion, utility, unity, and security of the people of the nation. There is need for the body that will regulate their operation. While this body is expected to have control power over the broadcasting media, it shall at least provide operational code that will prevent the abuse of the media. On 24 August 1992, then military president Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida signed into law Decree number 38, which allowed private participation in broadcasting. This was done through the establishment of the National Broadcasting Commission. Decree number 38 authorized the National Broadcasting Commission (NBC) to issue licenses and regulate broadcasting in Nigeria. This is why transmission of sound and vision, either by cable, television, radio, satellite, or any medium of communication from anywhere in the country, is subjected to its authority. However, the broadcasting media, like the other media of mass communication, must be graded toward national unity without a national policy that provide clear guidelines for the operation, that the broadcasting media may not play their proper role in the growth of the development of the nation. This is why there is need for a body like NBC, which is the sole chartered organization with power to regulate broadcasting in all its activities. NBC was, among other things, empowered and designed to carry out this function. Setting up One of the functions of the NBC is setting up standard and accessible content and quality of broadcasting content in Nigeria, sizing transmission equipment, or withdrawal of license where necessary should any media breach the NBC code, upholding the principle of equity and fairness on broadcasting. Section 311 of the Federal Commission Act authorized the National Broadcasting Commission to withhold the license of national station indicate for violating the NBC code. Coming of television broadcasting in Nigeria. The television came to Nigeria for the first time through Experimентary in 1956 when Queen Elizabeth XI came to Nigeria. In that year, the NBC came with a large contingent that the NBC placed TV screen outside the assembly hall to enable those outside the gallery of the house to watch what was happening. Nigerian take credit as the pace-setter in regards to television broadcasting, that notwithstanding television broadcasting started in Nigeria as a result of intense political and ethical rivalry precisely by the television in Nigeria was the Western Nigeria Television (WNTV) Ibadan. It was though reading clearly that the colonial master did not make such use of television during the period of colonizing in Nigeria. Chief Obafemi Awolowo established the WNTV. He had early slot permission for access to the government-owned NBC so that they would reply to the agitation of acts of prevailing level against him by the colonial master. Therefore, the actual grievance that eventually gave rise to regional broadcasting dates back to 1953 constitutional crisis, which brought Obafemi Awolowo, leader of the Action Group, into a head-on clash with then Governor of Nigeria, Sir Johnson Maffeson. Chief Obafemi Awolowo was said to have made uncomplimentary statements in the legislature during the parliamentary debates on Nigeria independence as a result of governor made a broadcasting to nation and made allusion to Chief Awolowo and his party, changing them with briefly the NBC. Awolowo reaction on the request for the equal time from the NBC to reply the governor remark. The request was turned down. They refused the desire in Awolowo to establish a broadcasting station, a move critical described as abuse and Western Awolowo. So, Jesus Christ.